Today we're presenting this incredible Bauer coming with the original leather bag. You'll be able to get the camera alone or with the bag as well. It has a sunshade, manual inside, and this is the Bauer C1M. Incredible camera, very compact, very reliable, very nice clean lens, very well working light meter, and fully functional on both speeds, 18 frames per second and 24. With external cable you could use a single frame as well. So let's test it out. You need to insert the three batteries, three AA batteries in here. You will definitely need a coin here. As you can see, super clean battery compartment. Then please always follow the instructions on the inside. Minus, minus, and a plus. And then put that back in. There is a small tongue here that needs to go in. And with the use of a coin, press and spin. Once that's done, as you can hear, very well working, 18 frames per second and 24. Unfortunately, the automatic zoom doesn't work, so the price on the camera will be much lower, but the manual zoom works. Anyway, most of the Super 8 filmmakers use the manual zoom. It is easier and sometimes faster. Okay, so let's test it out. We always test the cameras with the spark cartridges. Spark cartridges are very hard to spin. As you can see, this one barely moves. I can't even spin it with my fingers. We'll mark it. Open the lid. Insert it in. Close the lid, and as you can hear, even with this very hard spinning cartridge, the camera works very well. Let's see what the result is. As a result, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning spark cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together. Very nice camera, great for beginner. Both frame rates 18 and 24, which is very important. Very nice clean lens, perfectly working light meter, as said. So whoever gets the camera will be super lucky with it. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive.